Hello. I hope you are enjoying this Christmas season. For many, thank you all very much for your support of the channel and for making this channel very special. Best wishes to the best of friends. Merry Christmas. This time the video is dedicated to the Christmas trend for kitchen decoration, and I hope you personalize your kitchen with your favorite Christmas decorations and make them reflect your personal style. Have fun and let your creativity shine. Leave a comment how you like to decorate your kitchen. We start by decorating the chairs. In this short tour you can see small crowns on the back of the chairs using ribbons or hooks. This adds a classic and elegant touch to your kitchen bar chairs. Some kitchens have open shelves, and the Christmas season is the best time to place what you like most, such as display jars, plates with Christmas designs, small Christmas trees, or cookie jars with Christmas themes. You can also fill transparent jars with sweets or colorful decorations for the holidays too. This simple and elegant decoration model was only achieved by adding greenery, using strands of garlands and fresh pine branches to cover the rustic wooden beam. Another approach to decorating your kitchen is to consider a theme. If you want a cohesive look, choose a specific Christmas theme like rustic, shabby chic, or vintage. This will guide your choices and make everything match up. DIY centerpiece. Create a beautiful centerpiece with Christmas decorations, Christmas village houses, pine cones, or scented candles. Place them on a decorative tray or cake stand on your kitchen table or bar. Finally, incorporate lights. Wrap fairy lights around shelves, doors, windows, cabinets, and place battery-operated tea lights among the decorations. The soft glow will create a cozy atmosphere.